It's time for the next stage of the sculpture. I think this is going to end up being a little bit wonky. I have some work to do to try to even out the facial structure, but I'm also concerned about the neck being too thick. I wasn't really thinking about that in proportion to the head when I was making the head. So I'm going to try to bulk this out a little bit. The figure's definitely going to be wonky, but it will be interesting. I have my supervisor here. I have the cotton, the glue, and my brushes. So I am going to get to work and I'll just let you watch me work through the process.